Cons, Maths 5 Plus, page 52. Dear students, today we'll learn about subtraction. Look at this picture. There were 8 ducks in the pond. 3 ducks flew away. How many ducks are left behind in the pond? Count in backward counting and minus 3 from 8. You will get 5, and that's your answer. There are left 5 ducks behind in the pond. Respectable teachers and parents, explain the concept of subtraction to the children by counting numbers in backward counting or counting through writing numbers. Tell them that a minus sign is added between numbers to subtract them and an equal symbol after them to write the total number in subtraction. Practically demonstrate the concept of subtraction by placing and removing different objects from the table, counting them over and over again. Ask the children to practice subtraction and tell the sum. Encourage them for their keen interest and great efforts. Thank you.